I'm here to show you that using a traditional paste wax doesn't have to be intimidating and really isn't that much harder than applying a liquid or spray-on wax. Now, there's a few main benefits to using a paste wax, primarily the level of protection and durability. Since the evolution of synthetic waxes like ceramics, Carnauba isn't the strongest barrier between your car's paint and contaminating elements. However, what's going to have a bigger impact on your car's protection is the thickness of the wax coating you're applying. That's where paste wax comes in. This stuff is much thicker than any liquid wax you'll find, but it's still pretty easy to apply in weather over 45 to 50 degrees. After spreading paste wax, let it sit for a few minutes to dry to a haze and really bond with the surface of your vehicle before wiping away the excess with a clean microfiber and buffing out the finish in the process. Silver cars aren't the best for showing a dramatic before and after, but this ride will be protected for at least 6 months. You can't beat that kind of protection for the price.